What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change text color and font using the Canva app. So once you're inside the Canva app, if you want to change the text font and the color, it's very easy. You just want to go ahead and tap on the text that you have there, and you will get the option to basically edit. So you want to go ahead and tap on edit, and you will have the option here. So you want to choose where it says the A and you'll see the color. You can go ahead and you can find the color. So you can choose a custom color, or you can scroll down and find a color of your choice. So you can go ahead and find multiple colors of your choice, guys. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go ahead and choose a color here. So let's say I want to choose this color here as an example. I can go ahead and say change all, and as you can see that the color is changed. Now if I want to change a font, I can go ahead and I can scroll across, and you will see the font. You tap on the font and you can select a different font of your choice. Just go ahead and find that font that you like. Sometimes you will have to basically change the font and increase the size or decrease the size. It's really up to you. Once you're done, just go ahead and go back, click back, and it's there. If you want to ensure that the font is centered, you can just go ahead and click on the font itself, and you can drag it or press and hold until you find the clip. You'll see the line show in the center of the screen, and that's going to basically show you that the font is centered. You can always resize it by simple clicking on one of the sides and just drag the text. You will see the increase of the text, and you can always try to check if it's centered. And that's it, and that's how you change the font color and font on Canva app. Very easy and very simple.